I did a flat twist out on my hair. It didn't work out very well. My hair is just all over the place, and I just decided that I should do, it's like a roll slash pompadour. First thing I'm going to do is just put some water. My hair is actually dry. All I did was wash my hair, condition it, put the condition cap on for a few minutes, wash the conditioner out, and I flat twisted my hair. So this is what it looks like now when the flat twist out was let out. And this is just a quick, easy style, doesn't take long. That's what I love about it. Initially I had the part to the side, so I'll put the part back into the side. Let me get my mirror here. This is the part here. The mirror is so far away from here. But I'm going to just part it a little bit here and then go off camera and neaten it up. Here we have our part. It's neat. This section, both sections are going to come the same way. All I'm going to do is rolling in. So I'm gathering here and I'm rolling in. And this part that I just dragged up here by my ear, this setup here, I usually pull it up, and I always use that as a point where I get to secure the hair properly. I'm going to put my hairpin in. I'm going to leave that like that. I'm not leaving this like this. I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to do the same thing here. Here comes the fun part. Now the hair at the back here, this poof here, I just smooth it out because I'm going to secure everything into a roll. I'm rolling again, and I'm taking the hairpin and I secure that section. And basically what I'm doing is just rolling all around until we have just a neat, simple updo that's effortless and doesn't take much time to get done, especially if your twist out is a disaster or your flat twist out is a disaster, such as mine. If your hair is longer than mine or really long, what you could do is just roll the hair up into a roll, basically like a cinnamon roll, and then you secure it with the hairpin. This hairstyle takes less than 5 minutes, literally. All you have to do now is neaten up your roll. If you look at this section, like here and here, or here, there's a big bulge. Now you just want to go in and fix those bulges by getting more hairpins and just smoothing those bulges out. My edges really don't look as bad as they usually do because my hair is growing back. If you've been watching previous videos, you would have seen me talking about a lot of postpartum hair shedding. Even though my hair is falling out because I had a baby, it also is growing back. Most of the time your hair is always growing. It's not like you have alopecia and you have bald spots. You just need to figure out how to keep it in your scalp. I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel, and this is in Max Hole, to just put a little bit on my edges. If I don't do this, my edges are going to, what would you say, curl up, and it gives my face a less refined look. If I had full edges, that wouldn't even be an issue. So I just put the gel to keep it, you know, neat all day. Just using an old toothbrush. I don't have one of those special edge brushes. So I'm just gonna use a toothbrush that I'm not using anymore. I really try not to mess with my edges because they can fall out so easily from certain hairstyles or doing certain things to them. But this is safe. And I usually wash the gel out the next day or maybe the day after that. This is my hair tie. This is one of the long, slim ones that works well for tying hair down.